peace, stress free, let it be.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Ashley, and today I don't know what kind of video this is. I guess like an arts and crafts video. Arts and crafts. I'm actually filming this the day before the presidential election here in America, so I'm a tad bit stressed, and by a tad bit I mean extremely stressed. Yeah. No, but I am pretty stressed, so I just wanted to do something to kind of distract myself and calm myself. Hopefully this arts and crafts project will not be stressful. Sometimes arts and crafts calms me down, sometimes it stresses me out, so who knows. But yeah. Today I'm going to be making a new phone case. I've had my phone case for like 2 years. It's like peeling and it's just really old, and so I want to make a new one. Make one, yes. Hopefully teach you a really cool way to make your own sticker phone case. That's what we're making. I didn't mention that before. Yeah, I'm making a sticker phone case. I thought that I would just make my own sticker phone case with really easy stuff that most people probably have at their house. Also, this is my first video in November, and I am planning to upload twice a week in November again, so I will be uploading on Wednesdays and on Saturdays. Make sure you're subscribed to me so that you don't miss that, because there's gonna be lots of videos this month compared to last month. So yeah, we're trying it out again. It was actually really fun, and I missed not doing it in October, so might as well do it in November, right? Oh, let's head over. I have everything ready. Let's get started. Okay, so this is my case that I have now. I actually made this case as well, like online, and then they just send it to you. So it's pretty cool. It's lasted about 2 years. As you can see, the paint's like chipping, or I don't know if it's paint or like printing or what, but it's like chipping right there. And then also my pop socket is like fading. It was really cool, but it's just fading around it. Yeah, there's like the chipping. And it's just really old. I've had this for like 2 years, so I thought I should make a new one. So these are the stickers that I'm gonna be using. I just printed them on printer paper. Hopefully the sizing is right, but I think it should be about the correct size. I got these all off of the internet. Some of them I like changed the color, or like this one I took like one design and put it on top of another design, you know, but like this one I changed the color to like fit kind of the theme. And I guess the theme would be like neon, colorful, I don't know. I don't really know. That's what we're starting out with, is this. What we're also gonna need is wax paper, but I don't have wax paper. I have parchment paper. I think it does kind of the same thing. So we're gonna try it out with this. Packing tape, or if you have like Scotch tape, you're just gonna need to use more of it, but I think packing tape will probably work better if you have it. And then, what are these called? Scissors. Oh, and you're going to need a clear case. So I just got this one from Cassetify. It's just a clear case. And then I also got this new pop socket. So this is super cool. This is actually the QR code for my YouTube channel. So if I'm like talking to somebody and it like comes up somehow that I make YouTube videos, I can just have them scan that and it'll take them directly to my YouTube channel. So I think that that's really awesome, and I just went over it with Mod Podge a couple times so that it doesn't like fade like my other one was. Obviously because I need the code to be like intact for it to be used. And yeah, so this is what we're gonna be putting the stickers on. So to start off, I'm going to be cutting all of these little pictures out. You could put a white border around the stickers, but I decided not to. I actually intended to, but then the first one I cut, I didn't do it, so I just didn't do it for all of them. I think it would have looked a little bit better if I did, like more like actual stickers, but you know, that's okay. Also, because some of them have like white in the background, I think it would have just made more sense to have like a white border around it. So some of them didn't print out as like bold as I would want them, so I'm just gonna take this very small tipped pen, because these are all really small, and I'm just gonna go over the parts that I want to be a little bit bolder. Okay, so here are all my stickers. Even without the white border, it's looking like I made them the right size, so that's good. We're just gonna get those out of the way, and we're gonna lay down our wax paper slash parchment paper, because I don't have wax paper. Because my stickers are really small, I really don't need that much. Probably not even that, honestly. Probably like that much is fine. That's probably even too much, but that's okay. Okay, so we have our parchment paper. We're gonna take our packing tape and rip off a pretty good sized piece. I literally think most of my stickers would fit on this one piece. And then you're going to put it on smoothly. Make sure there's no like bumps or anything. You wanna smooth it out. Oh, that was actually really good. So there we go. We have that. And then if you want the sticky part on the back of the sticker, you're gonna put it face up like this. I actually want mine on the front because I'm gonna be sticking my stickers on the inside of the phone case just to make sure that they don't like fade or anything or like peel off. So I'm actually gonna be putting mine face down like this. And I'm going to take a few of them. And it doesn't need to be perfect, but you do wanna leave some space because you're gonna wanna cut out some of the tape with the parchment paper, if that makes sense. So you're gonna want a little bit extra on the sides so that it's easier to like peel off. Then I'm just gonna take another piece of tape and lay it on top of all of those, again, really smooth. Perfect. So if you can see, I have them like encased. I'm just gonna do the rest of the stickers that didn't go on there. Okay, so that's what it looks like on the other side. Now what we're gonna do is cut around all of these and leave a little border on the edges. And when you're cutting around the edges, it doesn't have to be like super intricate with all like the nooks and crannies of each picture, but you kind of want to get like the general shape. Okay, so we got those all cut out. I'm gonna clean up the space a little bit. So here are all of our stickers. Now I think I'm just gonna like lay them out on here before I actually stick them on, just to kind of see how it looks before I like make it official, like figure out where I want them and where they're gonna fit and all of that. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I think I've got the layout that I want. Now I'm just gonna start peeling the parchment paper backing off one by one and officially sticking them where I want them. So I'll show you up close how to kind of take this off. So you just gotta like play with it a little bit. There we go. And it comes off perfectly. And now you have the sticky side of the sticker at the bottom. And you just stick it on there. Perfect. So I'm just gonna do that for all the rest of them. I did decide to move some of the stickers around, and when I tried to lift them, it was really easy to move them around actually, and they didn't lose any of their stickiness, which is awesome because sometimes like the placement I thought I liked, once I flipped it over and actually saw it, I didn't love it. And here's the final product. I'm just gonna put it on my phone real quick to see what it looks like. I don't have a white or black phone. I think it would look a lot better if I did. Mine's rose gold, it kind of ruins it, but it still actually looks pretty cool. You can't see the tape as much as I thought you would be able to, which is nice. You can still kind of see it a little bit, but I don't know, it actually looks really cool. So now I'm just gonna go through and give a little background on each one of them because I don't know. I really wanted a phone case that was like meaningful and was like right out of my brain, so. Okay, so first this says I hate it here, but with cute little hearts, because you know things in the world have just been like stressful and have kind of made me hate it, but like I love it, so like little hearts. And then I have this clock. It's upside down, but it says time isn't real, and it looks all like warped and like time travel-y. And then we have question authority. Love that. You should totally always do that. And then this one just says be a slut, do whatever you want, because you know life is so short. Who cares what people think? Just do whatever you want. You only have one life, you know. The recycling thing, because even though recycling isn't super effective, you should still do it, but also like reduce, reuse, recycle. Mostly reduce and reuse. Climate change will kill us all, with a smiley face, because it will kill us all, but you know we're smiling through the pain because the people who are supposed to care about us don't. And then I have a tie-dye Patrick screaming, because that's honestly how I feel all the time. ACAB, pretty self-explanatory. Yeah. This is a woman's naked body with $100 bills over top of them, and it looks all like trippy looking. I just thought that that was cool, and especially in the era of like OnlyFans and stuff, women monetizing their bodies is awesome. Love it. Have a vasectomy, because abortions are 100% preventable if you stop them at the source. People with penises are directly responsible for unwanted pregnancies, so vasectomy stop abortions, you know? The system has failed us. because it has failed us. It sucks. That's the way it was designed though. The Black Lives Matter fist, and it just looks really cool in the back to kind of match the theme. Eat the rich, as you should. Make love, make art, make out, make money. I don't know, just thought it was cute. And then we have RBG. You can't really read it, unfortunately, because it's kind of small, but it says, fight for the things you care about. And it says, may her memory be a revolution. RBG. This, I just rewrote it by hand because you couldn't see it. Finally, a Spotify code for the song Fuck Donald Trump. Because fuck Donald Trump, you know? Oh, and also my pop socket with my YouTube QR code link. So this is it. I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. I do wish that maybe I got like a colored case instead of a clear one. So I actually really didn't like the way that it looked on my phone with like, because my phone's this like rose gold in the background, but like not really, it's just, I don't know what color that is. I don't know, it's just like gold. Anyway, I just took the scrap piece of paper from the printer paper that my stickers were on and cut it to the size of my phone case. And you actually can't really tell that it's just like paper in the background. I don't know, it looks really good. I like it a lot better with the white. I think black would look cool as well, but I think the white looks good because there are some things that have like this white that I couldn't cut out. So I just wanted to add that in because I just thought about doing that. And I think it looks so much better. This was a really simple way to make your own stickers. I love this. I'm definitely going to be using this. Way cheaper than sticker paper, so do not go waste your money on sticker paper. Just tape, parchment paper. Parchment paper worked perfectly fine. Everything I read said wax paper, but you know, parchment paper worked. And scissors, and then printer paper. Who knew? So I hope that you all liked this video. Hopefully it was maybe informative, taught you how to make some stickers. Maybe you'll even try to make your own sticker phone case, who knows. It is super cool though. They're just super trendy right now, so I love it. If you do try it out, let me know down below how it works out for you. Give me a thumbs up if you liked this video or if you found it informative. And as I said in the beginning, I will be uploading twice a week this month, so make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss those videos. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next week in my next video. Bye!